anything you feel you want to share. With as far as the content of the program, of course, that's pretty much set now, and the organizations we're dealing with are, as you know better than me, big and complex, and there's not much scope for change, if you like. If I don't know if you all were part of the preparation meeting on Friday with Grace.
Yes.
Okay, great. I have printed the program as well, so I will hand that out. And as it says in there, there's 2 evenings, the first one being tonight and the second Wednesday after we've had the intense day at ICC. I thought it's better not to do a group dinner because that may be making the day really long. So we provide a cash allowance, and you're free to do whatever you want. If you want to stay in the hotel, room service, go out, or just decide to sleep. So I will come around because I hand you in an envelope. You just need to sign for receipt because I need to. Everything goes very transparent here, and we need to give that back to the ministry. So that's it for me. In the hotel I will be with you, make sure the check-in goes alright. There's a little welcome bag there as well with some extra things. And if you have any issues when I come by, just discuss it with me. Yeah? Thank you.
Thank you.
Ja,